Hi Taurus, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your May reading, general reading. Let's see what energies are surrounding you now in May and how you can use these energies to have a wonderful month ahead. And these are general collective readings, Taurus, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you, leave the rest. Oops. 1 second. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Taurus and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now for the month of May. Thank you. So Taurus, let's begin your reading now, and welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here, and if you're new here, Taurus, we welcome you also. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. And if any of you are looking for a personal reading, Taurus, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. All right, good to go. 10 of Wands. Feeling very, very overwhelmed here. This is your current energy. Don't worry, we're still going to check on what's coming in May. But yes, you're feeling a little tired, maybe worn out, been carrying too much burden here. But before I open these cards, I am going to start you off with a Ganesha Oracle card, and let's see how Lord Ganesha is going to bless this brand new month of yours. So Lord Ganesha, for my Taurus gang, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Taurus. Thank you. So the card I have from Lord Ganesha for you is fulfillment. Should I? Okay, let me just read a couple of lines from here because I haven't got this card before. Number 6, 24. Fulfillment. No matter what you want to do or become, you will achieve more with knowledge. Look for someone to consult for more information. This may be a counselor, a psychologist, or a spiritual advisor. You will discover new skills from this helpful teacher. So keep in mind that there is wealth of information at your fingertips in books. Everything you read fills your head with new information. So that's what my card says here. Lord Ganesha says to you, Taurus, that whatever you are trying to do, try and gather more information about that first. Okay, if you need help, maybe a lawyer, maybe a counselor, maybe a therapist, maybe from your parents. Don't be shy on gathering information before you reach towards your goal. It's going to be really helpful for you in May. Look at Lord Ganesha studying here, a scroll. So gather information, very important in May. Alright, so the first card here for your current energy is the 8 of Swords. Self-imposed prison. Thinking, overthinking. So you're doing this by yourself, Taurus. That's what Lord Ganesha is trying to say. You don't have to do this by yourself. This is like, you're in the prison of your mind. You're trying to find answers from your head, from your mind. What should I do? Will this happen? Will that happen? I think relieve yourself of all this stress and tension and go to a trusted friend or somebody who you can talk to. So 8 of Swords, Spirit. 8 of Swords. Why is Taurus in the 8 of Swords energy right now? Trying to figure out what will give you wish fulfillment. Wanting a rebirth, re-beginning, a new chance in life, wanting to go towards your happiness, but still very, very stressed out about it seems, Taurus, because maybe things have stagnated at the moment or there is no movement, things are going very slow, and that's putting you into this, from your heart and mind, you want to gallop towards this new beginning. You're really passionate, you're excited, you want to move ahead, but what stresses you out from taking this leap forward is you and your mind, because you are standing there petrified, blindfolds on your eyes and hands chained and bound, and feeling like all the swords around you are going to cut you if you put one step ahead of the other. So what are you doing? Like this horse not moving one leg in front of the other, just standing there and worrying. So what happened in the recent past for Taurus? 9 of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles. What's this past energy for? You were trying to manifest. You were trying to manifest. Maybe you were single or you were wanting to be single and attract something, some stability into your life. One more, Spirit. Yes, you're attracting everything good in your life. I don't see anything wrong with that. Maybe you were in manifestation mode for everything that's good for you, from being able to take care of yourself, to looking good, to be able to provide for yourself, to finding a perfect partnership in your life. This could be in work, could be in love, I don't know, but finding that stable ground for yourself. You've been manifesting this in your recent past, but presently you know what makes you happy. You're looking forward to this new beginning, but you're totally stressed out because of your own mind. Because you don't know what step to take forward. Let's see what's coming up for you in May then. Ace of Wands. See, here's your new beginning. Ace of Wands is here for you in May. So currently also, Taurus, if you are in this Nine of Swords, let this reading help you get out of your head. Okay, let's see what this Ace of Wands is going to bring for you. Ace of Wands, Spirit, for Taurus. Ooh, a reunion, happiness. Somebody from your past could be coming back to you as well, but whatever, it's going to seem fresh, it's going to feel childlike, it's going to make you feel good. And this is a card of celebration, of reunions, meeting up, having fun, and with the Ace of Wands as well. This is what is in store for you coming up in May. Isn't that beautiful? And then when you reach this state, Taurus, you'll be wondering why you wasted so much time here. Of course, you have free will. You can stay in this position, Taurus, for the next 6 months if you like. But these energies are available to you. Only you are standing in between achieving this. This is not astrology. This is tarot, where I can tell you these are the energies which are available to you. After that, of course, each of you have free will to go and accept it or not. All right, so what is Taurus? Yes, Taurus, hold on to this feeling that you can find this happiness. This is what you should hold on to, Spirit is saying. You can find that soulmate. You can be in a harmonious relationship. You can find that stability, security of finances, love, money, whatever you've been trying to manifest. It's there for you. It's available for you. Hold on to this feeling. For a one, Spirit? Yes. Spirit saying, hold on to this feeling that very soon all these troubles are going to be over and you will be sailing off to a very, very calm and happy space in your life soon. So what should Taurus let go of, Spirit? The Star. Why should Taurus let go of that? Why should Taurus let go of? You're doubting yourself. You're doubting yourself. Even though you're wishing and praying and hoping for everything, I think you're worried about taking that first step into maybe first being abundant by yourself. This is what you really want to do. You want to take this new leap of faith. You have been praying for it, but you could be maybe in a third party situation, or you're trying to choose between two. There is justice involved, but whatever said and done, Taurus, if you trust, all you have to do is trust. Spirit is saying, let go of self-doubt. If you can trust, if you can leap off that cliff, knowing that the universe is there and is leading you into the right direction, Ten of Cups is available for you. Happiness. All right, so let's see what's going to be your biggest blockage now. Page of Swords, why will that become a blockage, Spirit, for Taurus? Again, the same card. stressed out, tense, trying to gather more information, or you feel maybe somebody is spying on you all the time. And even though there is a lot of love surrounding you, you yourself are blocking it big time. Blocking it big time. You don't trust it. You're still standing here. This can become a blockage. This is the card we've been talking about, right? This is the card we've been talking about till now, about keeping yourself in a self-imposed prison. If you continue to do this, Taurus, you're not going to reach that happy space I just showed you, the 10 of Cups and that, new beginning. You are still worried about maybe gossip or people talking about you or people keeping a watch on you, and this keeps you stuck here. You yourself, because you're not unchaining or taking, having that faith that the universe is there with you, you're blocking off a very abundant, happy time in your life. So, not all of you, some of you will jump off that cliff, some of you may stay stuck, I don't know. Let's see how people around you see you now. Queen of Pentacles. People who are around you, who love you, who care for you, they see you as the perfect person, Taurus. A person who can not just provide, this is not masculine, feminine, this is the energy of a card where there is somebody who is kind, nurturing, loving, giving, and yet very stable, can take care of themselves, can take care of their home, can take care of their business, can not only take care of themselves but also others around them. This is the perfect partner to have in your life. This is how people are seeing you in May, Taurus. Yes, they see you as bringing sunshine and happiness into their life and always being fair and balanced. This is how people are viewing you. Taurus, this is how people are viewing you. Isn't that wonderful to know? That people see you in such high esteem. Okay, so what is Spirit's secret message for you now? 5 of Swords. Why is that a secret message, Spirit? 5 of Swords. One more. If there's been competition around you, Taurus, if somebody has been playing mind games with you, or they've been trying to push you down because they don't want you to rise up, that is going to be a big Tower moment coming in May. What this Tower moment is going to do is give you some kind of an epiphany here where you will be able to take back power, take back control of your life. Let's understand this Tower a little more. So what's this Tower going to be, Spirit? Why is this a secret message from you? You have a very, very good something coming towards you which is going to be very, very balanced. Oh, I have the King of Cups with the Queen of Cups which showed up for me. Don't cheat yourself out of happiness, Taurus. Don't cheat yourself out of happiness. That's all I can say. The only person I feel is going to disrupt you not reaching this goal of having abundance and happiness is you right now. Because you're going to be, if you stay stuck and not make a move, people are going to get the better of you. There is a chance is going to come here in May. Something is going to change suddenly out of the blue. It'll be up to you whether you move with, the changes or you choose to stay stuck. Okay, so gather information if you can. Be prepared. A tower is approaching. It's not going to be a bad tower. It's going to switch your life for the better. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Till next time then. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.